Hello guys, today I will teach you how to do guidelines and what it means when you're doing Adobe Illustrator. So basically, guidelines is just another way of learning how to justify your artwork, and guidelines are coming from the ruler. So basically, sometimes you might not see the ruler. So all you need to do is go into view and click on ruler and hide ruler. See, it's not there. But to get the guidelines, you need to have the ruler first. So in order to get the ruler, it's always view, rulers, and show ruler. Once you get the ruler, basically you click inside and you drop it out. So can you see this blue guide? This guide, it kind of, you can put it wherever you feel like, and you cannot bend this. It has to be a straight line. It's just like a ruler, so it's a straight guideline. You can have it this way, horizontally and vertically, so you can have it this way. Now just say if you want to have some exact guidelines on all four sides, then you can draw a little square by pressing shift key. When you press the shift key, it gives you exact sizes. Can you see it says in the corner width 1 to 1.36, height is also 1.1 to 1.36. So basically press shift key and drag it, and it gives you exact sizes for the square. Then you drop it. Now what I tend to do, if I want to have my guidelines at exact located places, then I draw a square, and then you click on the square, and then a line tool will come up here. Can you see this line? Basically we telling this box, can you see this white box? We want to attach all the boxes to the edge of the line, edge. So what's gonna happen is this this edge is there. I'm gonna go draw a guideline and push it to the edge. So can you see how the guideline has gone in the corner? And I'm gonna have another guideline. I'm gonna highlight this, and can you see this alignment? This alignment is going at the top of the edge. So if I press top, it'll go to the edge at the top. Now I'll do another guidelines, and I want this to be on this edge. So all you need to do is click on the right edge, and I want another edge. So highlight it. Make sure you have to highlight it by selecting it or by drawing a cursor over it, and then press down. Can you see how it's gone into the corners? Now I want guidelines to be on the corners of all this box, all the squares. So I'm gonna push it to the left and push it to the right. So I'm gonna do another guideline. Can you see how I'm touching the edge there? And draw another guideline there. As you can see, it's not aligning the square. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, press shift and select this, and then up here I want a line to the selection because I've selected these two items. So I'm gonna align it to the bottom. So what will happen, this line will go at the edge of this line. There we go. And just say if this line is there, so I'm gonna select that, I'm gonna select that, and I'm gonna align to the selection. there. So can you see how the box is fitted into its alignment? And I want same box in this corner, so I'm gonna highlight the box only, left and down. Yeah, so I'm going to draw a line. If I drop the line there and then align it, it's gonna align it right at the bottom. So if you want to align it on the top, then you select this because it has to be lower. If I do this and align both, then the box will move up and it will align to the line. Look, there we go. So if I want line to be aligned, then I have to draw the guidelines in the middle of the box or lower, because it will shift upwards. So I'm going to press up. There we go. And then I'm going to draw another guidelines inside the box, and I'll highlight both. I'm going to align it to left. Can you see now I've got all the four same corners? There we go. And then if I draw it just gives you ratio of a nice frame. And there's so many things you can do with the alignment. For example, just say if I want a really nice border, yeah, so I'm gonna highlight all that and I'm gonna align this to the edge. So there we go. And bottom, see, can you see it keeps shifting up and I try to align it. So I'm going to do is select it, and then where is the alignment? Sometimes it disappears, so you just go into view, sorry, windows and aligns, and then I'm gonna put it to the edge. So double click on the box, highlight that and align it. Don't know why it's not happening, must be a technical thing. Let's draw it manually. There we go. Same with this. Only I'm doing this just to show you what else we can do with the alignments. Yeah, now I've done the alignments, but I'm gonna highlight all of it together, and then I'm going to go into Windows and Pathfinder. Yeah, in Pathfinder there are several options, so I'm going to divide everything now. So when I click on this, it's gonna break everything up, but you won't be able to see it. There we go. It's all broken, but we can't see it. If I double click in the middle, then it will only highlight this square because it's broken now, and it's broken according to the alignment lines. So can you see how I got the frames with the same angles all the way around? Oops. Let's send that to back and delete. So you can see, got beautiful frame. Now this will be in bits and pieces because the alignment was on each corner. So you can have different colors on corners like that. we go. It's a nice, beautiful frame with correct dimensions all the way down. There we go. I'm just gonna write a small message how to, well, actually what I'll do is I'll resize this document to 1280 by 720 pixels. Mm, I don't know how to change it to millimeter. I'll find out later on. Anyway, this size is the size for the YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to tilt that and then resize it all. Gonna push that back to the edge and push that back to the edge. Now I'm just gonna put a little message, just write something down so people know what we're talking about. How to use the text is very small because I've kept a very large size. Oops, I need to change the language to English. So I'm going to enlarge the text here. This is just the name of the font, don't worry about it. How to use guidelines on Adobe Illustrator. Sorry, sorry about that. And I'm gonna change the font color to white. This is alignment tool, by the way. If you click on Windows, align A, align G. There we go. I'm gonna make this font a bit bigger because this will be going on YouTube. There we go. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.